The leader of opposition and leaders of other political parties have spoken. I'm not going to repeat the issues, but one thing is very clear. The blame of the deadlock in Parliament lies squarely at the door of the government. Government is not interested in a meaningful discussion and debate. This government does not believe in its accountability to the people of India through the Parliament. This government has functioned in a manner which has lowered the prestige of Indian Parliament and Indian democracy. What the opposition has demanded is fair, correct, within the ambit of rules and established Parliament practice and conventions. When collectively the opposition gives a notice, that matter has to be discussed. Parliament is not convened only for the legislative agenda of the government. Parliament is meant to raise issues of national importance, issues of public importance, issues which concern the citizens of India. That's what we are doing. Government is wrong. They are misleading the country by saying that they are willing to talk to the opposition. Talk in what manner? They have to accept our demand for a discussion and a Supreme Court monitored probe. We are doing our duty to prevent this government to convert our Ganatantra, our democracy, into a surveillance state, into a police state. There are other issues which opposition has a duty and a right to raise, be it the farmers' issues, price rise, the state of the economy, and the rising unemployment. Government does not want to give any answers. We have no option but to continue to agitate, and we have come here, all of us together, because what we say inside the house does not reach the people. It is never telecast. Opposition is being backed out inside the house. So, through the media, we want to tell our people, we shall continue this fight. The government, obdurate as it is, we will force them, as in a democratic setup it is done, to come and debate. If government has nothing to hide, let them start the debate today itself. Opposition is ready. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.